Hey fashionistas! As you might know, I've been working with John Bead for quite a while and I really love their products. I grew up working on a loom and making jewelry as a kid, and honestly, nothing's really changed for me. I'm still working on a loom and making jewelry. Today, I'm revisiting my boho bangle DIY and updating it a little bit. I'm also sharing a great way to make them in any size using a simple dollar store item. So no matter how big or small your hands are, you can make a comfortable bangle in the perfect size. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hey, and I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some boho bangles. For over 200 years, the boho style has been an exotic alternative to the accepted fashions of a given time. The Bohemians appeared in France after the French Revolution. Deprived of their former system of patronage by wealthy clients, artists were plunged into poverty, lived cheaply, and wore worn-out or used clothing. John Bead was established in 1954, and they make everything you need to create jewelry in your own personal style. You can go color crazy or stick to a color scheme for these bangles. The key is to make several and stack them for that perfect boho look. What I love about this project is that there are no rules and they work for any age. I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you might like the Big Ass Book of Bling. It's all about jewelry. And I will see you next week. Bye.